Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to bring you a little bit along of my weeks since I get back home. First, we did a little celebration in our home for my birthday. Secondly, I'm catching up cleaning our kitchen, especially the stove. And also, I'm going to share you a cozy recipe for our stormy weekend. So, hope you guys will enjoy this video, and if you have a question, just leave it in the comment section below. Today, my family surprised me a little celebration at home for my 41st birthday. It is weekend again, and here I'm preparing the solution for the cleaning spray. This is just a lemon peel infused with vinegar. So I made this solution for about 3 weeks now. Here I'm simply adding the solution to the spray bottle, around 1/4. It depends the size. Add more than half of the water and probably around 2 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid. Give it a good shake and it's ready. I'm using it pretty much around the house, even in the floor. Chris and Hannah was been at the grocery shopping this morning, and I'm putting it away right now. So as you see, we have white and brown eggs. I'm using the white eggs for baking and brown eggs for the kids' breakfast. That's enough to pay. So it is 10:30 right now. Here I'm starting to make our brunch. I'm gonna make a Dutch pancake. Here I'm preheating the oven first. For about 15 minutes, put the dish casserole pan in the oven to preheat. Then I'll go ahead and mix the batter. In a blender, here's 2 cups of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla, 10 eggs, 2 cups of flour, and about a teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of salt. Then blend it together for about a minute or 2. Scrape both sides to make sure all flour is mixed and blend together. Then give a couple pulses and done. Place a stick of butter in a hot casserole dish. Let it melt until it's hot and sizzling. Pour the butter in a dish. Bake until the pancake puff and golden brown and crisp around the edges. Approximately about 25 to 30 minutes.
Twice as sweet. We've had ups and we've had downs. We've had warm nights. We've gone round and round. What I know, this much is true. There ain't a tree with any leaves. gone south, I've gone east, west, inward and out. For me, I know this much is true. There ain't a single direction.
Alright guys, we have a sandstorm right now. Look, that was really bad. We just came out from the grocery store and yeah, look at that. I'm glad we're done. Look at the wind. You guys, after the sandstorm yesterday, now it's raining so bad, and some of the places here in Arizona already have a flash flood.
Don't be like the rain, huh?
It's around 3 in the afternoon and the rain comes a bit. And here I'm starting fixing our dinner. I'm going to make a cozy meal for us. It's because it was raining almost all night and all day, so here I am making a pumpkin bread. And then I'm preparing and chopping the ingredients for the soup. This is very hearty and cozy meal too. If you are interested, I will write the measurements and the list of the ingredients down at the description box. So for the bean soup, I'm going to use 4 types of beans and a can of stewed tomatoes. Transfer all the beans in a strainer, then give it a good rinse for a nice texture and flavor of soup. In a pot, cook the bacon until it's brown and crispy. Then transfer it to a plate with kitchen towel to drain the excess fat. Leave about 2 tablespoons of bacon oil. Then saute the onion, celery, and carrots for about 10 to 15 minutes in a medium heat. Add a can of stewed tomato and 3 cans of water. Add a tablespoon of chicken paste, then cover and boil it for 10 minutes. Then add the beans, one tablespoon of Italian seasoning, garlic powder, salt and pepper, then simmer it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the tortellini, spinach and bacon. Mix and simmer for another 5 minutes.
Where'd you get that?
Albertsons?
Yeah,
There's pumpkins.
nice. It's
I
nice.
can cover it out.
Did you carry it from outside? Wow. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. Chris is doing the pressure wash all over outside the house. So every year he does it at least once after summer, and because of the storm the other day, he just decided to just do it early. Later on that day, Hannah and Papa visited the family grave. They brought water and rags to clean and wash the dust from the headstone. And here's my Hannah bear.
Wow, it looks nice, baby.
So that evening, I made roasted potatoes, a Brussels sprout, some sausages and shrimps, and also onions, mushrooms, and asparagus. I just simple toasted in Italian herbs, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and olive oil, and then baked it. And after, I served it with the store-bought gravy. There you have it, guys, my kind of lazy Sunday evening dinner. I hope you're having a nice and fun weekend with your family. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.